Hey, this is Deb Villareese with Deb's Villa Cucina. So I'm making an egg pie. Normally we call it a quiche. And this is going to be vegetarian. I have sauteed some beautiful vegetables here. I've got mushrooms, onions, red pepper, zucchini. And while this skillet is still hot, I'm going to put a little bit of spinach in there. I don't want it to cook, but I don't want to put it in totally raw. So I'll just kind of let it wilt in the heat of the skillet. And in the meantime, I have 6 eggs in here that I have beaten. And why it's so yellow is that they're farm fresh eggs. And then this is about a cup and a quarter of coconut cream. So that's why this ends up being dairy free. You can get coconut cream at most stores. I get this at Fresh Time. You can get it at Trader Joe's. And we're gonna mix that up. And I'll heat that up as well as you can see now the spinach is sort of wilted. You wanna make sure, and I've also put oil in the pan. You need to do that so that when you take the pie, cut the pie out, it comes out easily. Because we're gonna bake this in an oven. There we go, I think that could be enough. I have my 6 eggs and my about a cup of coconut cream. This mixture on top of the vegetables. So there is a dairy-free, gluten-free egg pie or quiche.